Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable HTTP proxy on your account on X, Twitter, easy and quick. First, click on your profile. Now click settings and privacy, and now click proxy here, and now just click on it like this. As you see here, it will be turned off, and that's it for today. That's how to turn off. That's how to disable HTTP proxy on your account on X, Twitter, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.